cough syrup for your kids. And once again, cough syrups, they're not that great. It's not going to stop the cough. The cold is going to run its course. I cannot stress that enough. You guys, listen, the medical field doesn't have the answer to everything. And a cold is one of those things. We cannot stop a cold. So this cough syrup, your child may or may not stop coughing. And that's why I said I'm not a huge fan of medicine. When my kids are sick, I let it run its course. I know they're going to be okay, and I know what to look out for when I feel like they're not going to be okay.